Hello friends, in this video I will show how to download and install Java JDK 19 on Windows 10 or 11. So open any web browser, then just type here Java. Now here you will see this oracle.com. Open this link. Now we can see here Java 19 is now available. So you have to click on this download Java. So you will see this page. You can select 17 or 19. So if you need a latest version, so select here 19 and here select your system like Mac OS or Windows, and here are three options: Archive 64 installer and 64 MSI installer. So select as your need and requirement. So best way you select this one if you are using 64, this link, and save it. Now wait for a few seconds till this downloading and installing process will complete. Downloading process will be complete. Now here double click on this setup file. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now here click on next. Next. Now as we can see, we successfully installed this Java JDK. Now click on close, open File Explorer, C drive and program files. And here open Java, open JDK 19. Now click here and copy this path. Now click on start. Type here edit environment. Open this edit environment variables. Now here select path and also here select path and edit. Here click on new and enter this Java JDK 19. Then click on OK. Then again click on OK. Now to check Java, open CMD, run as administrator. Now type here Java space double dash and version. Then press enter. So as we can see, we have this information. Java 19.01 installed successfully. So this way guys, you can download and install Java JDK 19 or Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.